In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact WooCommerce support. Reaching out to WooCommerce support can seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're new to the platform or facing an issue you just can't seem to resolve on your own. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step, to make it as smooth and straightforward as possible. Initially, you'll want to start at the WooCommerce homepage. This is the gateway to all things related to your WooCommerce store, including support. Simply navigate to their official website. Once there, you'll see a variety of options, but for our purpose, we're focusing on getting you the help you need. Next, it's time to access your account by clicking on the login link. You'll be directed to a login page. This part is crucial because accessing specific support options requires you to be logged into your WooCommerce account. It helps the support team access your information quicker and assist you more efficiently. After you've clicked on Login, you'll be prompted to continue with your wordpress.com account. Here you can either enter your email address and password or use the Google sign-in option for quick access. If you're already logged in, you might not see this step, but it's vital for those who aren't. Once you're logged into your WooCommerce account, navigate to your dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the command center for your WooCommerce store. It's where you can access everything from product listings to analytics and, importantly, support options. On the dashboard, look for the Get Support link. This is your direct line to the WooCommerce support team. Clicking on it will take you to a page dedicated to helping resolve your issues, whether technical or general inquiries. At this point, you'll notice different types of support options. If you're still in the decision-making phase or have questions before committing to a purchase, click on Pre-sales. This option is tailored for inquiries related to services, features, or any other questions you might have before buying. However, if you're encountering technical difficulties or issues with any aspect of your WooCommerce operation, you'll want to choose Technical Support. This option focuses on resolving problems and providing solutions to ensure your store runs smoothly. Upon selecting Technical Support, you'll be asked to specify the nature of the issue further. Here, for clarity and efficiency in resolving your problem, indicate that it relates to the core WooCommerce plugin if your issue revolves around fundamental aspects of WooCommerce functionality. Next, you'll need to provide specifics about your store. You might have the option to autofill your store details if your account is already linked. However, should you need or prefer to, you can select Enter Store Address manually. This method is particularly useful if the issue is not directly linked to the store you usually operate or if you're managing multiple WooCommerce stores. Finally, after providing all the necessary details about your store and the issue at hand, you'll come to the Submit a Request option. This is where you'll formally ask for help. The WooCommerce team is incredibly responsive and supportive. By reaching this stage, you've successfully asked for assistance, and someone from the team will be in touch to help you solve your problem. In conclusion, reaching out to WooCommerce support doesn't have to be complicated. The key steps are to log into your account, navigate to your dashboard, specify the type of support you need, provide details about your issue, and submit your request. Remember, WooCommerce is there to support you every step of the way, ensuring that running your online store is as efficient and problem-free as possible. So, take a deep breath, you've got this, and WooCommerce has got your back. Whether it's a small query or a big technical challenge, you're now equipped to reach out for the support you need to keep your online store thriving. Thank you for watching, and good luck as you continue your WooCommerce journey.